Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps on how to add friends on your Nintendo Switch 2. So what we want to do from the home page is go here to the upper left-hand corner and select the profile account that you would like to add the friend to. So I'm going to select this one right here. From your account page, we're going to go down to the area where it says add friend, and then you have some different options here. So you can check on your incoming friend requests. If you would like to send a friend request to somebody, if you have their friend code, you can do so in this area. You can also check for users that you've played with. You can search for local users around you. You can see your outgoing friend requests, but I'm going to click on the option where we're going to search for a friend with a friend code, and you can enter in that 12-digit friend code in this area. So once you enter in that friend code, we're going to click OK. That's going to take us over to this next page that'll show their profile icon and name. And if you would like to send a friend request to that person, then click A on where it says send friend request. So that friend request has now been sent. If it's accepted, you'll become friends. So we're going to go back and we can see our outgoing friend requests right here. To accept that friend request, I'm going to select the account where I had just sent the friend request to. And from that page, I'm going to go down to where it says add friend, and it says that I have a friend request. So I'm going to click on that, and then I can select that account. And you have the option to either become friends, you can decline the request, or you could block that user. But I'd like to become friends, so I'm going to select A on that. And it says that we are now friends, so I'm going to click OK. And if I go over to my friends list, it's going to show up in that area. And that'll wrap this one up. So I hope this quick tutorial was helpful going over how you can add friends and accept friend requests in your Nintendo Switch 2. I appreciate you guys stopping by and consider subscribing for more content in the future.